In this demonstration, we will show how to view events in the EPM Events Management inbox. To begin, select Events Management from the left navigation menu. Events Management will default to all event types. Filter event types by selecting the Event Type drop-down, then select Event Type to apply. This demonstration will select Elevation Request to filter events reported by the EPM default policies to detect privilege elevation requests for unhandled applications. Additionally, you can filter by platform. This demonstration will select Windows. Click Apply to apply the filter options. In this example, one elevation request is found. The event displays the date and time stamp the request was recorded by EPM. It also displays the named application. Expand and display more information by selecting the arrow link to the right. Here we can see the number of occurrences, along with the users and computers that generated this event. You can also gain information about the checksum, source of application, application type, and which user generated this privilege elevation event. Gain more insight by clicking the Occurrences link. A new browser tab will open. Further filtering can be applied. Information displayed includes the event timestamp, number of event occurrences, the endpoint that generated the event, the file path, the user running the application, and the reason submitted by the user from the EPM notification prompt. Congratulations! You have successfully viewed events using Events Management. For more information, refer to our online resources.